this video will be applicable to the next three questions. So let's just pretend. Let's pretend that we have this unknown resistor here. Okay, so and I'm just going to point this unknown resistor right here. And we're going to vary our power source, our voltage power source between 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And we probably will end up having to do this for each one. But if you have iCircuit on your iPad, then you can do this. I'm not asking you to get iCircuit. I'm just saying if you had it on your iPad. So here we go. We're going to build this circuit in iCircuit. We already know the resistance and all of these other good things. So let's go here. And although this one will do, let's go ahead and do it from the beginning. So we have a power supply here. We're going to start off with 2 volts and we'll vary this. Okay, and then we definitely need a ground. We're going to need ourselves a resistor. We've already chosen our resistance. I believe that this one is going to be 1,000. Let me go back to my Moodle shell and go back to 2. And we're choosing this one to be, let's see here, 1,025, okay? So let's go here, 1,025. And I would say we need an ammeter in here, but here's our meter. So we have a meter right on the side. We just have to select the circuit appropriately. So we're doing this, boom, boom, boom. So we have our resistor in here, and we want to know what the current is going to be going through this resistor. So all we have to do is just tap on the resistor, but we know that the current is going to be the same all the way through. At least the magnitude of the current is going to be the same all the way through, okay? So I'm going to select on that. We have 1.951 milliamps. So that is what we're going to put into our Moodle shell here. And I'm just going to go to the next screen. Maybe I can go back and forth. So instead of putting in milliamps, we're going to put in amps. And so that's going to be 0.001951. 951. All right. And then we're going to have 4 volts. So all we're going to do is just vary this to 4. And we'll see what our current is, and it's 3.92 milliamps. So we're just going to put that in. And that's going to be 0.00392. Let's just double check. 3902 is the correct answer, so I'll just put a 0 in there. And then we're going to go to 6 volts. Easy peasy. 6 volts. And what do we have? We have 58454. So I'm going to end up with 0.005854. I think that's it. Yep, 5854. So we're going to go to 8 here. And then after 8, or changing the voltage at 8, we end up with 7805. 0.007805. Double check that. Correct. And we'll go to 10 here. And under 10 volts, we have 9.756. So we end up with 0.00975. Is that right? Yep, 6. All right. So we're going to take all of these items and we're going to take them to Graphical and produce a graph with it. We're not going to do it in this video. We'll do it in the next one.